from blinding rays of the sun deep in the heart of July. There to perform for children of corn whose crops stood well 12 foot high. 3 names remain to the end of the day. We refuse their violent treats. Standing our ground, we played for the years between the harvester's teeth. Great plains, harbor scenes, men are bitter beaters, but Lord, they're mean. And though my mind is being shot to hell, the details of the night I remember well. Gravel and locusts, they swore to rope us. We did our best to steer straight. Trailer and hitch straight into the ditch, praying to Jesus and the holy saints. Despite the violence, sometimes I look back on nostalgia begins to take hold. Wisdom of sorts is found in due course in the rows of silver and gold. Great plains, hardcore scenes, men are the biggest, but Lord, they're mean. And though my mind is being shot to hell, the details of the night I remember well. Give me the keys, take the keys, not guarantee. Give me the keys, and get the hell out of Dodge. Hey man, we don't got your SM-57. Look dude, why don't you try some old-fashioned PMA? Through bloody butchers, we ran for hours, then hours grew into years. Stalked by the fury of John Brown's eyes, and still the storm hasn't cleared. Despite the mileage, sometimes I look back on nostalgia begins to take hold. Wisdom of sorts is found, of course, in rows of silver and gold.